not speak in Bengali anymore or any other languages because our recording has started. Okay, so we will start doing our classes. The topic which we will be teaching you today, the topic is tea. Now, what is the topic? Anirban Saha, which topic we will be teaching you today?
Tea.
Very good. And the chapter which we people were reading, the chapter was non-alcoholic beverages, means those beverages have no alcohol in it, or those beverages have alcohol which is lesser than 0.5%. Beverages which have the beverages which have lesser than 0.5 of alcoholic percentage are called the non-alcoholic beverage, or those beverages have no alcohol in it. This type of beverages are generally called the non-alcoholic beverages. So beverages in this non-alcoholic beverages we have already read different kind of beverages already, like we have read about the squashes, we have read about the syrups. Okay, uh, we have read about what Javed Al Jabbar, what you want to say? Javed Al Jabbar, do you want to speak anything? Okay, no problem. So the thing is, okay, just give me 2 minutes. Let me take the attendance now. It's the time to take your attendance. Just give me a moment. Let me take the attendance. Just allow me to take your attendance. Just a minute. Just give me a minute. It's okay. Okay. The topic which we are talking about, that is non-alcoholic. Shangita, class join code immediately. Please join your class immediately, Shangita. Hello. Shangita, please join your class. Shangita Barui, please join your class. Shangita Barui. Hello, Shangita. Just give me a moment, guys. Shangita, hello. Can you listen to me? Shangita, please join the class. Okay, Shushmita. Okay. Did you join the class? Okay. Okay, let me start things now. Who is this? Shangita Bari. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, students, the topic which we will be teaching you today, as we have started, that is non-alcoholic beverage. In this non-alcoholic beverages, we people have already read about different kind of non-alcoholic beverages. Like we have talked about the stimulating beverages, non-stimulating beverages. We have talked about refreshing beverages. We have talked about water. We have talked about squashes. We have talked about mocktails, and then we have talked about syrups. Okay, this all are the non-alcoholic beverages. We have talked about aerated drinks. Okay, then mineral waters, packaged drinking waters. This all are the non-alcoholic beverages. Now today the topic which we will be teaching you, that will be the tea and coffee. That will be the tea and coffee. Today the topic which we will be reading, that will be tea. Tea is also a non-alcoholic beverage which is basically a stimulant. Tea is a non-alcoholic beverage which is called stimulant. Now can anybody of you tell me what does a stimulant means? as far as I remember that I have discussed with you previously. Anybody of you can tell me what is a stimulant means? Guys, can anybody of you tell me what the stimulant means? Students? Students, are you there? Students, please respond. Students, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It is.
yes.
Yeah,
Please
yes, sir.
carry on.
It is like a drug. It is like a drug
No,
which makes
not
you
drug,
feel
not drug.
active.
Basically, stimulants means not drug. Stimulants mean which stimulates your nervous system, which stimulates
Yes,
your
yes, sir.
nervous
Which
system
makes
for
you
certain time.
active, sir.
Exactly. Which makes
Which
you
feel
bit
you
active.
make you feel. Yes, sir.
Exactly. That is called stimulant. And the tea and coffee are the hot stimulating non-alcoholic beverages. What are those? Hot stimulating non-alcoholic beverage. Hot stimulating non-alcoholic beverage. What is tea? Tea and coffee both are the hot beverages. They are non-alcoholic beverages. They are stimulating beverages as well. Remember. So three things are very important about tea. What are those? First, hot beverages. Next, stimulating beverages. Next is non-alcoholic beverages. Okay. Now let's start with today's topic. I will be showing you a PowerPoint presentation on this tea, and I will be telling you how these things are happening. Guys, I'm sharing my screen with you. Please check the screen, and I will be showing you the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, please check the things. Is my screen is visible to you people, students? Students, is my screen is visible to you people?
Yes, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
very okay. Now is it visible? Students, is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, let's
Yes, sir.
start the. Very good. Okay, okay. Let's start. Sorry. Just a minute. Let's start teaching one by studying one by one. The topic which we will be teaching you, the topic's name is tea. Can you see the screen? It's non-alcoholic beverage, the topic name, and the subtopic is tea. Now, how many of you people consume tea at your home? Who can tell me? How many of you people generally consume tea at your home? Who all of you generally consume tea at your home? Nobody consumes tea at the home? Students, no one consumes tea. Rahul Singh, you consume tea at your home?
No, sir.
Never consumes. Harsh Oja, you consume tea at your home?
No, sir. I consume black coffee.
Okay, black coffee. That's also a stimulating beverage. Hatim, you consume tea? Hatim, are you there? Shushmita Bala, can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Do you consume tea at your home?
No, sir.
Never consume. Okay, let me ask Kavita. Kavita consumes tea at home.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you definitely will be knowing about tea. Okay, so we will be learning the very common and very simple tea. We will consume the very common and very simple tea. Very common and very simple things, tea. Now, what are the things we will be reading today? That what is tea? Tea producing country. We will understand purchasing in the time of purchasing tea. What are the things we need to take care of? And then how to store the tea, making of tea, type of tea, and manufacturing process. Let's start with one by one. First, let me give you a brief introduction about tea and let's understand what the tea is. Can anybody of you people will tell me what the tea is? Anybody of you people? Who can tell me what is the tea? Who of you people can tell me what is the tea? Shangita Barui, can you tell me what is the tea? Shangita Barui, can you tell me what is tea? Anirban Shaha, can you listen me? Yes, Anirban? Yes, tell me.
Tea is a non-alcoholic beverage or hot beverage.
Okay.
And
Non-alcoholic beverage. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, let's understand that. What is tea? Tea is an aromatic beverage commonly prepared by pouring hot or boiling water over crushed or fresh leaves of Camellia sinensis. Now, what is this Camellia sinensis? Camellia sinensis, please find this word, Camellia sinensis. Please find this word, Camellia sinensis. Camellia sinensis is the scientific name of the tea. Please follow the cursor of mine. Camellia sinensis is the scientific name of tea, and evergreens served, okay, native of China and East Asia. After water, it is the most widely consumed drink in the world. Means this type of drinks are being consumed very highly, very rapidly in the whole world. Almost everywhere you go, people consume tea. Different styles they used to follow of consuming tea. But you go anywhere, आप दुनिया में किसी भी जगह जाओ, लोग चाय पीते हैं. ठीक है, तो चाय क्या होता है? चाय होता है एरोमेटिक बेवरेज, जो अल्कोहलिक बेवरेज नहीं है, जो नॉन अल्कोहलिक बेवरेज है. ठीक है, एंड क्या होते हैं, जो हम लोग को स्टिमुलेट करते हैं, वो हॉट बेवरेज है, गरम बेवरेज होते हैं. और जिसमें कैसे हम लोग बनाते हैं, चाय का पत्ता जो होते हैं, चाय का पत्ते में हम लोग गर्म पानी डालते हैं, चाय का पत्ता में हम लोग गर्म पानी डालते हैं, और गर्म पानी डाल के हम उसको भिगो के रखते हैं और उससे चाय बनते हैं. क्या समझ में आया बेटा? डिड यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? Guys, did you able to understand that? What is the tea? Okay, guys,
Yes, sir.
please respond, because it is not that I am talking with you in only English. Even I am using Hindi. Okay, so anybody have any problem? Why I am using Hindi? As because you people can able to understand this class, you do not have any problem to do the classes. That's why we are using Hindi also. So it is my request to everybody. That please respond. Please respond. Okay. Now let's come in the next slide. Now history. Okay, let me tell you a small story of tea history. Now what has happened? Once upon a time, might be 500 years ago, क्या हुआ था, एक चाइनीज राजा, ठीक है, कुछ तो उसका नाम था, तो वो जंग लड़ने गया था एक जंग के मैदान पे. तो जंग लड़ना के बीच में जब वो किसी पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था, तो वहां पे पानी गर्म और ठंडा का जगह था, तो पानी गर्म हो रहा था. तो अचानक एक बड़ा सा पेड़ से कुछ पत्ते उसके उस पानी उबलते हुए पानी में गिर गया. अब क्या हुआ, थोड़ी देर बाद राजा उस पानी को पिया और खुद को बहुत, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, स्ट्रेंथी समझने लगा. तो यहां से शुरू हुआ टी का जर्नी. बेसिकली टी was invented in China. चाइनीज पीपल जो होते हैं, चाइनीज पीपल, चीन देश जो होते हैं, चीन देश में लोग चाय का आविष्कार किया था कि चाय पिया जाता है, चाय पीने से हमारे शरीर में स्टिमुलेशन आते हैं. ये वही लोग दिया है. देखो, the tea was discovered by by an accident over 5,000 years, when leaf from tea brush accidentally dropped into some boiling water and delicately flavored the drink. Very important. This tea leaves have dropped on the boiling water and they have given some beautiful aroma and stimulating agents inside the water, and people able to understand that from this leaves we could able to get a very good aroma and strengthening ability, and from there the tea's journey begins. Is that clear, students? Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That is the small story. But these all stories are not basically historical approved story. These all are the quite myth kind of story generally been popular in India. ऐसे हमारे देश में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे myth वाले stories फैला हुआ है. आप किसी भी जगह पे जाओगे तो वहाँ पे देखिएगा बहुत सारे बड़े कहानियों के सहारे हम लोग बहुत कुछ समझाते हैं. यहाँ पे भी वैसा ही है, वैसा कुछ हिस्ट्री उसको ही हम लोग हिस्ट्री मान के चलते हैं. जैसे रामायण महाभारत वो सब हमारे देश का स्टोरी ही है, लेकिन हम लोग उसको भी इतिहास मान के चलते हैं बहुत जगह पे. ठीक है, द सेम थिंग इज लाइक हियर एज वेल. ओके, लेट्स कम इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सॉरी. नाउ अगेन, व्हाट इज टी? टी इज prepared from the leaf bud and top leaves of tropical evergreen bush called Camellia sinensis. Always remember, the tea plant is basically called Camellia sinensis. The tea plant is called Camellia sinensis. It produces what is regarded as the healthy beverage containing approximately only half of the caffeine of the coffee, and at the same time it aids muscle relaxation and stimulates the central nervous system. Means our body have a different kind of nervous systems, and this is all the nervous systems are attached in a central nervous system which is attached with the spinal cord of yours. आपके पीछे वाले जो हड्डी होते हैं उसके ऊपर देखिएगा घर, आपके जो नेक होते हैं, नेक के पीछे एक जगह होता है जहाँ पे उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. तो this all things, this all nervous systems are attached with that. क्या होते हैं, आप जब चाय पीते हो तो वो आपके जो सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम है उसको वो क्या करते हैं, रिलैक्स करते हैं. वो आपको क्या करते हैं, वो आपको स्टिमुलेट करते हैं. That's the main quality of the tea. Is the main quality of the tea. And what is the name of the tea plant? Tea plant's name is Camellia sinensis. Anybody will tell me the name of it? Camellia sinensis. कौन बोलेगा? What is the name of it? What is the exact name of the tea? Students?
Sir, Camellia sinensis.
Yeah, it's Camellia sinensis. Camellia sinensis. Camellia sinensis. Okay. It's Camellia sinensis. Don't worry, I will be sharing the notes with you people today. Okay, you will able to understand that. That's the tea. Now, we should understand from which are the countries we can get tea. टी कौन कौन से देश से बनते हैं, कौन कौन देश में टी सबसे अच्छा बनते हैं, और कौन कौन देश में सबसे ज्यादा लोग चाय पीना पसंद करते हैं. ठीक है, देखिए यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है, इट इज 25 कंट्रीज अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. ऑलमोस्ट 25 देश में चाय बनते हैं बहुत सारे तरीका से. और याद रखिए, चाय का प्लांट जो होते हैं, द टी प्लांट्स आर वेरी डेलिकेट. So we have to be very cautious when we people are planting the tea. चाय के पत्ते, चाय के पेड़ और चाय के पौधा जो हम लोग लगा रहे हैं, तो हम लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा कॉशियस रहना पड़ेगा कि कैसे जगह पे हम लोग उसको लगा रहे हैं. याद रखिए, those tea plantation, have anybody of you ever seen tea plantation anywhere? Students, आप में से कोई भी चाय का प्लांटेशन देखा है अभी तक?
Yes, sir.
जावेद देखा है. Okay, हर्ष, have you seen that?
No, sir.
Okay, Saurabh तो definitely have seen. Saurabh not responding, but Saurabh is from Tripura, so definitely in the Tripura there is so many of tea plantations. So definitely Saurabh will be seeing the tea plantation. Anybody else have seen tea plantation? Okay, let me show you some pictures of tea plantation which I already have. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me show you some tea plantations picture. Just give me a moment. Okay, let me show you the tea plantation. You will be able to understand how the teas are generally been planted. Just give me a moment. Okay, let me open up the internet and let me show you how the tea plantation generally happens. See, tea plantation. I will show you the pictures of that. See, this is the tea plantation. You might have seen all those things in the television as well, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This, always remember, for planting the tea, we definitely have to need this kind of places, you know. This kind of places are very, very important. Okay, this is like, it's like the not plain land. The plain land cannot produce tea. Plain land cannot produce tea. Why? क्योंकि चाय का पत्ता, चाय का पेड़ अगर आप यहाँ पे लगाओगे तो क्या होते हैं, चाय का पेड़ आप लगाओगे तो हमारे प्लेन वाला जमीन जो हमारे अगल बगल में मिलते हैं वेस्ट बंगाल में, ये साउदर्न वेस्ट बंगाल में, तो क्या होगा उसमें पानी जो है, अगर बारिश होगा तो क्या होगा, पानी चाय के जो पौधे हैं उसके जो जड़ है उसमें जम जाएगा और जड़ खराब हो जाएगा. The roots of the tree will get spoiled if the water gets stuck on that. Okay, so we have to go for a tea plantation on the hilly areas or the foothills of different hilly areas. Okay, and this is the delicacy of the tea plantation. That's why if you go in Darjeeling, Karshiang, Kalimpong, then if you go to Assam or northeastern areas like Shillong, then you go to Arunachal Pradesh, you go to Meghalaya, Mizoram. On those places you will get lots of tea plantations. Okay, let's come in the main part. Okay, the main tea producing countries are India is the largest producer of the tea, remember, and the most delicate and beautiful kind of tea is ever produced from the India itself. India चाय का सबसे बड़े उत्पादक है. इंडिया चाय के सबसे बड़े उत्पादक हैं. एंड गाइस, माय हिंदी इज क्लियर टू यू पीपल, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपको जो जैसे हम द वे आई एम टीचिंग यू, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू एवरीथिंग. टेल मी गाइस, जैसे हम आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं आज, समझ में आ रहा है तो आपको सब कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हम बांग्ला भले ही नहीं बोल रहे हैं, बट वी आर टॉकिंग इन हिंदी. ओके, नॉट इन इंग्लिश. Though we are talking in English, but I mean sometime we are using Hindi as well for your benefits only. So the portion, if you are not able to understand, if you have any query regarding, please let me know. अगर आपको किसी भी जगह पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो हमें पूछिए और मुझे पूछिए, मैं तुरंत आपको जवाब दूंगा. ठीक है, चलो. Let's come in our portion. Okay, now India is the largest producer of tea. India में सबसे ज्यादा चाय बनते हैं. और next is what? The most delicate kind of tea, means सबसे बेहतरीन चाय भी इंडिया में ही बनते हैं. Okay, then is China. Though China is the inventor of tea, but it comes just below to India. India is the highest one. But remember, most delicate kind of tea is ever produced in China as well. And China ही वो देश है जो सारे दुनिया को सिखाया कि टी कैसे बनते हैं, चाय कैसे बनते हैं. Next, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Okay, can anybody of you tell me the capital of Sri Lanka? Who can tell me the capital of Sri Lanka? Shongita Barui. Shongita, can you listen me? Riyaj Sheikh, can you listen me? Sushmita Bala. Okay, Riyaj. Okay, what is the capital of Sri Lanka? Riyaj, what is the capital of Sri Lanka?
I don't know, sir.
Yes, Murshidabad. No. Murshidabad. No, Murshidabad is not the capital of Sri Lanka. Okay, who will tell me? Okay, Harsh.
Sri Jayawardena Pura Koteka,
No.
I think.
Okay, that is the president's name. I'm talking about the capital of Sri Lanka.
Sir, I don't know, sir. Capital
Okay.
wise.
Okay, it's Colombo.
Sir, Colombo.
Exactly,
Colombo.
it's Colombo. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. And do you know what? Sri Lankan culture and Indian culture, South Indian cultures are almost quite same. Quite same. Okay. And it's a beautiful country. If you ever get a chance to visit Sri Lanka, do not miss it. Please go to visit. अगर आपको कभी भी मौका मिलता है श्रीलंका घूमने के लिए, वो मौका कभी मत गवाइए. तुरंत चले जाइए श्रीलंका घूमने के लिए. बहुत सुंदर देश है. ओके, रावण का देश है. बहुत अच्छा जगह. ओके, नेक्स्ट. ईस्ट अफ्रीका मतलब पश्चिमी अफ्रीका, सॉरी पूर्वी अफ्रीका. ओके, हैव यू एवर सीन अफ्रीका? Ever seen in the maps? Okay, let me show you which part of Africa. देखिए, याद रखिए, होटल मैनेजमेंट पढ़ते हुए आपको थोड़ा सा वर्ल्ड मैप का भी खबर होना बहुत जरूरी है. दिस इज द पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ अफ्रीका. देख लीजिए. दिस ऑल पोर्शंस, this all areas, please follow my cursor, okay, this all areas, okay, this till this portion have huge kind of tea production. Why? Because they have the hills on those portion, which is called Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is as like in Asia we have the highest peak in Himalayas. If you go to South Africa or East Africa, you will get a same kind of hills like Kilimanjaro, and on the foothills of Kilimanjaro you will able to get lots of tea plantation like Kenya, okay, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, along with that Angola, Bengala, these all places. Okay, even if you go to Ivory Coast, if you go to even on South Africa, you will get lots of tea plantation. Next is Indonesia. Indonesia is the Southeast Asian country. Indonesia, let me show you Indonesia. See, that's Indonesia. Oh, sorry. See, this is Indonesia. Basically, if I show you the world map, see, this all are the places where basically the Indonesia is situated. If this is the world map, basically here the Indonesia is situated. And see, this Indonesia have lots of hilly areas and sea and mountains together, and so they produces lots of tea at their country. Okay, so going in the next slide, guys. Purchasing of tea. Remember, tea purchasing is a very important thing. In different tea we get from the market in different techniques. Like in a bulk, we sometimes purchase tea through tea bags. Sometimes we purchase string and bag. String means that tea bag with a small thread attached with it. Okay, you might have seen that Tetley tea bags or like Twinings tea bags. Okay, from the market when we purchase, the tea bags teas are there inside the tea bag, and a thread is attached with that. Guys, please make silent of your mic. Somebody's mic is open. Please make it silent. Shangita Barui, please make your mic silent. Shangita Barui, please make your mic silent. Okay, so this all are the teas. Okay, have you ever seen tea? This kind of things you have seen? Tea bags. Guys, tea bags have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is tea envelopes. Tea envelopes. Envelopes means खाम, जिसको बोलते हैं ना, उस खाम के अंदर हम लोग चाय को रख देते हैं. वो भी चाय का खाम होते हैं. आप देखिएगा ट्विनिंग्स का आते हैं चाय का खाम. मैं दिखा रहा हूं आपको टी बैग्स. थोड़ा इंटरनेट से हम लोग देखिएगा तो समझ में आएगा. टी बैग्स देखिए कैसे होते हैं टी बैग्स. देखिए आप लोग, देखिए ऐसे देखिए आप लोग. Guys, please check this. Did you see those things?
Yes, sir.
These are called tea bags. These all are the tea bags. Okay, this is tea boxes. Okay, then see, this is the tea envelopes. See, these all are the tea envelopes. Okay, these all are the tea envelopes. Here also you will get, these all are the envelopes of tea. These all are the envelopes of tea. See, this is the tea envelopes. Okay, now let's come here. And instant tea. Now what is instant tea? That's ready-made tea. Means that bigger kind of packets of Tetley or Tata Tej tea. These all things which we are purchasing from the market. जेमन ऐसे हो नहीं होते हैं कि हम लोग बाजार से वो पैकेट वाले चाय खरीद के लेके आ रहे हैं. पैकेट वाले चाय नहीं ना खरीद के लेके आते हैं हम लोग. वो तेज वाला टाटा तेज, टाटा गोल्ड. This is the instant teas. Okay. Chalo. Next, blend. Always remember, tea have different kind of. Some of the tea have very good flavors in it, and some of the tea have taste in it. Okay, as like giving you small example that if you go in the market, अगर आप market में जाते हो and आप दार्जिलिंग टी खरीद के लेके आ रहे हो तो उसमें क्या होते हैं, उसमें टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा नहीं होता है, बट यू गॉट ब्यूटीफुल एरोमा इन इट. यू गॉट ब्यूटीफुल एरोमा. उसमें क्या होते हैं, बहुत अच्छा एरोमा होते हैं. लेकिन if you are purchasing little low quality of tea like Tata Tej or Tata Gold, there you will get the taste of the tea, which is very good when you are mixing those tea with the milk. But if you are mixing tea with Darjeeling tea, you will not able to get the flavor. So what we do, we mix Darjeeling tea और Assam tea, means the tea which have a beautiful flavor. जो चाय में बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर होते हैं, उस चाय के साथ जो चाय बहुत अच्छा लिकर बनाते हैं, अब दो चाय को हम लोग मिला देते हैं और हम लोग उसको एक ब्लेंड बनाते हैं. उससे क्या होता है, जो चाय बनते हैं मिलावट वाला जो चाय बनता है, जो मिक्स टी which we are preparing, what is happening, that tea is giving you flavor along with taste. Understood? Did you understood the blend?
Yes, sir.
What is a blend? Did you understood what does a blend means? Harsh understood what is a blend?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me? Harsh, can you tell me what is a blend means? What is a tea blend? Harsh, can you tell me what is a tea blend? Can you tell me what is the tea blend? Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm a little bit confused in this in blend.
Yes, please ask me what is your confusion. I will clear it. No problem. Okay.
Sir, can you just one more time say?
Yes, sure. Definitely. Remember, guys. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me show you this thing with some picture. Picture will make this thing more clear to you people. Just let me make a picture. Okay, I have just taken two kind of tea. Okay, let's take this tea. Okay, this is the tea. Bigger size. Okay. Oh, this is a kind of tea. Okay, this is the kind of tea which have aroma. Aroma means scent, which have a very good scent. Now I have taken one more kind of tea. Sorry. I have taken one more kind of tea. This is also a kind of tea. Is it clear? Now this tea
Yes, sir.
have a very good taste. Okay. Now what we are doing? We are mixing both the tea. We are doing what? We are just mixing both the tea. I am mixing this tea. I am mixing with here. and a different kind of tea has produced. See, a mixed kind of tea has produced. That is called the blend, where aroma is also there, taste is also there together. That is called the blend. 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 Okay. That is called the blend. Okay, let me show you. That is called the blend. It is became blend. Means two kind of tea at which there was beautiful aroma and at which there was very beautiful taste. Now the tea with beautiful aroma mixed with the tea with beautiful taste, and that became a blend at which we have aroma along with taste. Let me tell you this thing in Hindi. हमारे पास दो तरह के चाय था, देख लीजिए, दो तरह के चाय था. एक जिसमें बहुत अच्छा सेंट है, जिसमें बहुत अच्छा सेंट है, और एक हुआ हमारे पास जो चाय जिसमें बहुत अच्छे, क्या बोलते हैं, जिसमें बहुत अच्छे टेस्ट होते हैं, उसमें टेस्ट. ठीक है. अब ये चाय को हमने इसमें मिला दिया और यहाँ पे एक ब्लेंड बना लिया, जिसमें क्या हुआ, इस चाय में टेस्ट भी अच्छा है, एरोमा भी अच्छा है, मतलब सेंट भी अच्छा है, टेस्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द ब्लेंड. गाइस, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? स्टूडेंट, इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now who can explain
sir.
me? Who can
Yes, sir.
explain me what is a blend?
I can.
Okay, Harsh, please let me explain what is a blend means.
Yes, sir. When we mix the aroma and the taste in a tea, then it becomes a blend.
Exactly. I mean, like tea with aroma, tea with taste. We are mixing together, and remember whether and what will be the quality of the tea, that will depend upon then what kind of tea we have mixed in what ratio. If we are mixing Darjeeling tea in higher ratio and Assam tea have a very good taste and Darjeeling tea has a very good aroma. Now we are mixing huge amount of Darjeeling tea with little amount of Assam tea, then the tea will be having little liquor with huge aroma. Now at those teas at which Darjeeling tea added very less in amount and Assam tea is in higher in amount, then what will happen? Then it will happen what? That tea will giving very good liquor, very good taste, but aroma will be little lesser than the previous one. Is that clear? What is the meaning of strengths? Now what we do, we mix African tea with Indian tea, we mix Ceylon tea with the Sri Lankan tea with Indian tea and makes a beautiful kind of aroma. If you mix different tea one with another, then different taste will mix and they will give you the beautiful kind of tea which have aroma, taste, liquor, everything full form, the most balanced kind of tea. Chalo, coming in the next slide. Now storage of tea. Remember, never ever keep the tea at a moist places. Always keep tea in the dry places. And remember, dry and cold places is the best for keeping tea. See, this is the way through which we are keeping tea. And remember, tea is always kept in the wooden boxes. Why? Because if you are keeping the tea in the wooden boxes, the moisture of the air will be absorbed in the wood itself. आप अगर आपके चाय का पत्ती को वुडन बॉक्स में रख रहे हो तो क्या होगा, तो वुडन बॉक्स जो होता है, ड्राई वुड का जो बॉक्स है, वही मॉइस्चर को खींच लेगा, तो चाय के अंदर घुस नहीं पाएगा. और आपको देखिए यहाँ पे हम सब लोग चाय का ऐसे रखा है. दिस ऑल टीज आर बीन केप्ट इन द ग्लास बॉयन्स और ग्लास containers which is totally sealed with air. There is no air is going inside. So well ventilated area is very important. Okay, always access hours from excess moisture. Remember, if your tea is caught moisture, चाय के पत्ती में अगर किसी भी तरह से moisture लग जाए तो चाय खराब हो जाते हैं. घर में भी देखिएगा, घर में आपके मम्मा लोग जो भी आंटी वगैरह जो भी रहते हैं वो भी बोलते हैं कि चाय का डब्बा कभी खोल के मत रखो. क्यों? क्योंकि चाय में मॉइस्चर लग जाता है तो चाय का फ्लेवर और नहीं मिलते उसमें से. समझ में आया? तो चाय जब भी हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको ड्राई ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं. वी आर using dry teas always. So this is the exact techniques of the storing tea. Okay, please read those things very carefully. Okay, going in the next slide. Now making tea. घर में चाय बनाना किसको किसको आते हैं? How many of you people can make tea at your home? How many of you people can make tea at your home? Guys,
Sir.
who can
Yes.
make tea? Kavita can make tea. Harsh Ojha can make tea. Very good. Okay. Next day, whenever you will be coming, as like you were coming on Friday, no? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody is coming on Friday. So I will see how much beautiful tea you people can make. Okay. We have tea leaves, we have milk and everything. We will see how beautiful tea you people can make. Then we will serve it in the F&B service laboratory, and we will be doing other works which we people will have. Okay, guys, I'm telling you people, please come on that on Friday, and I'm giving you guarantee that we will have fun. Okay, and you will also have fun. You will enjoy a new kind of experiences you will be getting. New kind of experiences. Giving you guarantee a new experiences you will gather on that day. Okay, chalo. Simple thing. Ensure all equipment used are clean. Definitely, if आप कोई भी पात्र में पहले फिश बनाए होंगे तो उसी पात्र में आप चाय बनाओगे तो चाय में भी फिश का फ्लेवर आ जाएगा, वो मछली वाले चाय बन जाएगा. तो कोई भी टी आप बना रहे हो, कोई भी चाय आप बना रहे हो, तो उसमें आगे जो पात्र में आप बना रहे हो उसको क्लीन कर लो. देन heat teapot before putting the dry tea, and so that the maximum heat can be obtained from the brew. क्या होते हैं चाय के पत्ती हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग we generally give that on the teapot. Teapot को पहले से गर्म करके रखो. You make the teapot heat from previous. Why? Because if you are making it hot, then the moisture content inside the teapot will go away. चाय के pot के अंदर जो भी moisture content है वो चले जाएगा. उसके बाद आप चाय का पत्ती उसमें डालो. Measure the dry tea and freshly drawn cold water exactly. Next, चाय के लिए पानी लेके आओ, जितना जरूरत है उतना पानी लेके आओ. उसके बाद उसके बाद उसको बॉयल करो 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर में. देन मेक श्योर दैट द वाटर इज बॉइलिंग ऑन एंटरिंग द पॉट. ओके, एंटरिंग द पॉट, वेरी सिंपल. आप देख लो पानी बॉयल हो रहा है कि नहीं. देन उस गर्म पानी को आप क्या करोगे, यू विल पोर दैट हॉट वाटर ऑन द टी पॉट एट विच द टी पॉट्स आर केप्ट, एट टी लीव्स आर केप्ट. जो टी पॉट में आपका चाय का पत्ती रखा हुआ है उसमें गर्म पानी डाल दीजिए. ठीक है, एंड कीप इट फॉर 3 to 4 minutes टू obtain मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ फ्रॉम द ब्रू. मीन्स आप उसको गर्म पानी में, वो चाय का पत्ती आप गर्म पानी में छोड़ दीजिए 3 से 4 मिनट के लिए. बस चाय का पत्ती, चाय का जो लिकर है वो छोड़ने लगेगा, चाय आपका बन गया. समझ में आया चाय कैसे बनता है? घर में जैसे आप लोग चाय बनाते हो, दिस इज नॉट द एग्जैक्ट सिस्टम ऑफ मेकिंग टी. आप लोग घर में क्या करते हो कि पानी उबालने दिया, पानी उबालने लगा तो उसमें आप चाय का पत्ती डाल दिए. नहीं, वो चाय बनाने का तरीका नहीं है. Understood, guys? Did you understand? समझ में आया? Did you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
How you generally make tea at your home? As like Harsh, can you listen me? Or Kavita, can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Kavita,
Yes,
can you
sir.
listen me? Okay. आप लोग घर
Yes,
में कैसे
sir.
चाय बनाते? बहुत अच्छा. I can hear you, बेटा. Okay. घर में how you make the tea? Simple से बोलो मेरे को. आप लोग क्या करते हो, घर में गर्म पानी लेते हो, उसको उबालते हो, उसमें चाय का पत्ती डाल देते हो, है ना? या तो दूध लेते हो, उसमें उसको उबालते हो, चाय का पत्ती डाल देते हो, है ना? लेकिन दिस इज नॉट द एग्जैक्ट सिस्टम ऑफ मेकिंग टी. टी मेकिंग प्रोसीड्यूर इज व्हाट? यू कीप असाइड द टी लीव्स इन अ ड्राई प्लेस. नाउ you boil the water. Now after boiling the water, when the water is piping hot, just pour the tea leaf, I mean that boiling water on the tea leaves, or you allow the tea leaves to infuse inside the water. चाहे पानी गर्म हो गया, गैस को बंद कर दिए, पानी उबालना बंद हो गया. Now you take tea leaves and give that on the piping hot water and leave it for 2-3 minutes. उसको 3-4 मिनट के लिए छोड़ दीजिए रंग छोड़ने के लिए, और पानी का जो उसमें जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, उसका जो लिकर है और उसका जो डिकॉक्शन है, उसको जो जिसको हम लोग लिकर बोलते हैं ना घर में, उसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में, उसको बोलते हैं डिकॉक्शन. The thing which we generally say liquor at our home, that is called decoction. Okay, so decoction 2, you will collect the decoction, you will remove the tea leaves from the tea, and the tea is ready. Understood the tea making procedure, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me show you some pictorial form of tea making procedure. Definitely we will get some pictures. देख लीजिए. See what they are telling. Heat the water, pouring boiling water. Now tea bags are given inside that. Okay, let me take this picture and show you. Okay, let me show you this. See what they are doing. Is this picture is clear, guys, to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
they are heating the water. Now tea bags are given inside the water. Tea bags. See, this is the tea bag. See, this is the tea bag. Sorry. So this is the tea bag they have given. Now the hot water they have given in the cup at which the tea bags are given. Now they have kept it for a couple of minutes. See, and then given sugar and mixing it together, and the tea is ready. So this is the procedure of making tea. This is the procedure of making tea. See here also, see step of tea making. They also have given you different procedures of tea making. If you go in the internet also, you will also get different pictures and different techniques of making tea. So see here also they have given you the same procedure. Can you see that? Okay, let me show you this picture also. See, let me make it bigger. This is the tea. Tea bags are given. Water 70 to 100 degree temperature water is given. 5 to 7 minutes you have kept it. Then we added sugar. Tea is ready for drinking. Okay. Sure. Next is types of tea. Students, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the class you are
Yes,
feeling
sir.
interesting? Everything is understandable? Are you feeling interested in this class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Sir.
good. Okay. Very good. Very good. Chalo. I will take 10 more minutes from you. We will make it on till 1:30 or something. Okay. Let us complete this thing first. Okay. Now types of tea. Basically we have 4 kind of tea. What are those? Black tea, green tea, and oolong tea. See, black tea, green tea, and oolong tea. I have given you the pictures as well. See, these all are the pictures of tea. Now, what is a black tea and how this thing generally happen? Okay, that the tea making procedure we people have did. Now we have to read tea production procedure, because before you are making tea at your home, teas are being produced at the factory as well. आप घर में चाय बनाने के पहले चाय फैक्ट्री में पहले बनते हैं. हम लोग को चाय घर में बनाने का प्रोसीजर तो हम लोग सीख लिए, लेकिन फैक्ट्री में चाय कैसे बनते हैं वो भी हमें सीखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, और उसके हिसाब से निर्भर करता है कि द टी विल बी ब्लैक टी और दिस oolong tea or green tea. See, this all depends upon the fermentation. चाय में एक फर्मेंटेशन होते हैं. फर्मेंटेशन मतलब क्या होता है, जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में पचन. देखिए, ब्लैक टी सुन आफ्टर प्लकिंग क्या होता है, हम लोग चाय जब उठाते हैं तो चाय का ये चीज हम लोग लेते हैं. हम थोड़ा पीछे जा रहे हैं और आपको दिखा रहे हैं, आपको देख लीजिए. पिक्चर कहाँ गया हमारे, पिक्चर देख रहे थे, ये चीज देखा आप लोगों ने, ये पिक्चर को देखा क्या, ये पिक्चर को
Yes,
देखा आप
sir.
लोगों ने? ये चाय का बर्ड हम लोग, टी बर्ड्स हम लोग उठाते हैं, हम लोग इसको और भी अच्छी तरीका से आपको दिखाते हैं। यहाँ पे कौन सा चीज हम लोग चाय का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, देख लीजिए। यहाँ पे किसी जगह तो दिया ही होगा, टी बर्ड, that's the tea bud. Okay, let's take this one. Let's take this one. This thing, can you see that, guys? This is the tea bud. We basically use this particular portion for making tea. And tea leaves, this is a tea leaves generally used. Yeah, always remember that as much young tea leaves it will be, that much beautiful aroma it will be giving. See, in this picture also they have given you tea bud and the tea leaves. Tea bud and the tea leaves are generally used for producing tea. Okay, now what do we do? See, the leaves are spread on a perforated rack under the sun till their moisture contains reaches 150 degree. Now what happens? Basically, see, soon after the plucking, tips are subjected to withering process. What is withering process? We should know what is this withering process. Basically, what happens when we are harvesting tea leaves from the market, when we are harvesting tea leaves from the field, we are bringing this on the tea factory. And in the tea factory, what we are doing, we are allowing the tea leaves to be in the moisture, allowing the tea leaves to be in the moisture. And if you keep tea leaves in the moisture, what will happen? tea leaves will become black in color. अगर आप चाय के पत्ता, कोई भी पत्ता, आप किसी भी जगह से आप कोई भी पत्ता लेके आइए, आप उस पत्ते को अगर मॉइस्चर में घर में आपका रख दीजिएगा थोड़ी देर तक, क्या होगा? वो ब्लैक कलर ले लेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके अंदर जो क्लोरोफिल है वो क्या होगा? वो फर्मेंटेशन होने लगेगा। वो फर्मेंटेशन होने लगेगा तो क्या होगा? उसमें जो क्लोरोफिल है वो टैनिन में रूपांतरित होने लगेगा। तो इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग विदरिंग प्रोसेस। नाउ क्या होगा? ये विदरिंग करने से जो टी लीफ जितना ज्यादा विदरिंग होगा वो उसका कलर उतना ब्लैक होते जाएगा। आप देखिएगा, आप अगर कोई भी पत्ते को पानी के अंदर बहुत दिन फेंक के रखिएगा तो क्या होगा? वो पत्ता ब्लैक बन जाएगा। समझ में आया बेटा मैंने क्या बोला? Guys, did you able to understand what I am talking about?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चाय के पत्ते को हम लोग क्या करते हैं? चाय के पत्ते को हम लोग खेत से उठाने के बाद और उसके पेड़ से उठाने के बाद हम लोग उसको विदरिंग करते हैं। विदरिंग इज द फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस। फर्मेंटेशन में क्या होते हैं? पत्ते को हम लोग बेसिकली पानी में रख के उसको सलाते हैं। जितना सड़ेगा उतना ब्लैक बनेगा और उतना ही ज्यादा स्टिमुलेंट बनेगा वो। ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? देखिए, the tea leaves are spread on the perforated rack under the sun till their moisture contained reaches 50 degree. मतलब आफ्टर उसको हम विदरिंग किए उसके बाद what we are doing, we are keeping those tea leaves on the sunlight, and what is happening? Tea leaves are reducing the moisture contained to 50 degree. मतलब कुछ नहीं है, उसको हम लोग सुखा रहे हैं। चाय के पत्ते को हम लोग सड़ा के उसको हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? सनलाइट में उसको सुखा रहे हैं। ऐसे सुखा रहे हैं कि उसके मॉइस्चर कंटेंट जो है वो 50% में आ जाए, मतलब आधा सूखा वो हो ही जाए। नेक्स्ट, ड्यूरिंग मानसून हॉट एयर में बी यूज्ड। जब बारिश होगा, बारिश का मौसम रहेगा तब तो आप धूप में सुखा नहीं सकते। तब क्या होगा? आपको हॉट एयर ब्लो करना पड़ेगा, गर्म ड्राई एयर उसमें से ब्लो करना पड़ेगा। उससे क्या होगा? उसका मॉइस्चर 50% तक सूख जाएगा। देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज brushing the leaves gently, either tossing them on a basket or gently crush so that they are so as to tear the leaves. Just a minute. রাহুল, আমি 2 মিনিট পরে ফোন করি তোমার, ক্লাসের মধ্যে আছি। Okay. So this is the technique of making black tea. Is it clear, guys? Did you understood? Students?
Yes, sir.
Next, the green tea. Green tea is what obtained when the leaves. Very good. I will do that. I'm telling it in Hindi. Try to understand. चाय के पत्ते जो होते हैं वो हम लोग फील्ड से उठाते हैं, 2 पत्ता 1 बड, ठीक है। अब उसको उठाने के बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको हम लोग पानी में थोड़ा सा भिगो के रखते हैं। पानी में भिगोने से क्या होते हैं, पानी में भिगोने से उसका जो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट है वो बढ़ जाते हैं, और साथ में वो चाय का पत्ता जो ग्रीन वाला पत्ता था वो क्या होता है, ब्लैक कलर में आ जाता है, उसमें क्या होता है, टैनिंग आ जाते हैं। लेकिन चाय के पत्ता तो आप उस तरह से इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते, तो क्या करना होगा, आपको उसको सुखाना पड़ेगा। तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको धूप पे हम लोग उसको सुखाते हैं, और इस तरह से सुखाते हैं कि उसके जो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट है वो 50% पे आ जाए, मतलब आधा सूखा उसको हम लोग कर लेते हैं। अगर ये मानसून के वक्त हो तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग उसको हॉट एयर, गर्म हवा, ड्राई गर्म हवा ब्लो करते हैं। उसके बाद हम लोग उस पत्ते को क्रश कर देते हैं, तोड़ देते हैं। देखिए, क्रशिंग so as to tear the leaves straightly. Exactly. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उस पत्ते को हम लोग क्रश करते हैं सिस्टमेटिक। देखिए क्रश, क्योंकि देखिएगा आप जब चाय में आपका वो टी लीव्स आप इस्तेमाल करते हो तो चाय का पत्ता क्या होता है, वो कुकड़ा के रहता है। अब चाय में आप उसको जब डाल रहे हो तो चाय का पत्ता खोल जाते हैं वहां पे, और देखने को ही मिल जाता है कि सभी के एक सुंदर तरीके से काट के उसको वो कार्डलिंग किया गया था। दैट इज कॉल्ड this black kind of teas are called the black tea. तो समझ में आया बेटा? रियाज शेख, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
बहुत अच्छा।
Yes,
Next is
sir.
green tea. It is obtained when the leaves are withered, steamed, dried, rolled and packed. This tea is not subjected to fermentation. See, as like black tea was subjected to fermentation. उसमें fermentation आपको करना ही पड़ रहा था, क्योंकि fermentation नहीं करोगे तो black color आएगा ही नहीं। But in green tea, you are not doing any fermentation. In the green tea, you are not doing any fermentation. Only tea leaves are there. Only what we doing? We were withering, then steamed, dried and rolled and packed. That's all. All tea producing countries make green tea. Almost every country, those who are producing tea, they all prepare green tea. See, this is the green tea's picture. And next is oolong tea. This is the oolong tea. See, it is made by withering leaves, tossing them in a basket to get little bluish, oxidized or partially, or baking, rolling or drying things. Means the same procedure which we are doing here, the same procedure also we do. I mean, so the same procedure which we do in the black tea, we are also doing in the oolong tea. But in black tea, चाय काले वाला चाय जो होता है, black tea वाला जो चाय होते हैं, उसमें क्या होते हैं, उसमें हम लोग इसका पूरा फर्मेंटेट करते हैं। लेकिन ओलोंग टी में हम लोग उसको पार्शियली ऑक्सीडाइज करते हैं, पार्शियली फर्मेंटेट करते हैं, पूरा ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं करते, हम लोग उसको पार्शियली ऑक्सीडाइज करते हैं। तो मतलब क्या हुआ, ब्लैक टी पूरा फर्मेंटेट होते हैं, ऑक्सीडाइज होते हैं, ओलोंग टी पार्शियली होते हैं। ग्रीन टी में हम लोग बस विदर करते हैं, कोई फर्मेंटेशन नहीं करते। और व्हाइट टी क्या होते हैं, जस्ट पत्ते को हम लोग खेत से उठा के लेके आए, उसको सुखाए, उसको भिगो के उसका पानी पी गए। दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाइट टी। समझ में आया? इज दैट थिंग इज वेरी क्लियर विथ यू पीपल, गाइज, स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Everybody very clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next day we will start with the steps in tea making process. Okay, the same thing which we were reading about in manufacturing process, steeping process, manufacturing process, specialty tea, other things are, we have very little in amount we are left with, that we will be doing in the next class. Okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Till,
Okay, sir.
till today, this much is till today. I will be sharing you this note with you. I will be sharing this particular note with you. I'm showing you the notes. Please check it up. T. Okay. This note I will be sharing with you today, which is there at your MS Team as well. It's not opening. I do not know why it's not opening. It's came. So this note I will be sharing with you today. This particular note I will be sharing with you today. Okay, this particular note I will be sharing with you. This is the same note PowerPoint presentation we people are doing. Same note I will be sharing with you today, and when the class will be over, we will be sharing the PowerPoint presentation as well. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Anybody have any query? Anybody have any query? Okay, tomorrow also we will be having a class of food and beverage service. Please stay there and we will complete T on tomorrow's class. Anybody have any query? Anything to
No,
ask?
sir.
Acha,
Sir.
guys, you will
No,
wait.
sir.
Okay, just wait for a minute.